Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. OMG, I just received happy mail, or should I say we all received happy mail, because inside this happy mail from the wonderful Joanne is a parcel for the boys. Yes, Charles, what's this? Look, there's a pussycat on there. Where is your brother? Oh my goodness me, why are there a pair of socks on the table? That's not very good, Channelle. What's this? What's in here? Is this for you? Shall we have a look and see what's in here? Well, there are two parcels here, so let's open this. Shall we open this for you? What's in here? Oh, we better get the scissors out. Charlie, I think you're a very lucky boy. Let's have a look. Oh, he's fussing all over me now. Let's open this. Watch your nose, you don't want to cut it. You're very lucky getting happy mail, aren't you? What's in here? What's in here? Charles. Charles. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness me. It's your early Christmas presents. Oh, look at these. They're little snack snowmen. Look. No, you're going to break my camera. Look what you boys all got. Shall I open one for you? Oh my goodness me, Joanne. You spoil my boy. Stop that. He's going mental. Let's see if we can... Right, you know what these are, don't you? Wait, mister. Oh, what's these? Let's get your toy out and see if you will do it. They've had one of these before, but not a snowman one. I should have really wrapped these up for Christmas for them, but the cat's out of the bag, so they say. And he already knows he's got some treats. Oh, what's in this bag? Oh, you know what's in there, don't you? Yes, you do. Should we get one out for you? Oh, what's them? Shall we see if you'll do it? Oh, let's put his head back on. Oh, look at the cute snowman. Look, let's see if he can do it. Oh, that's what you do. Yes, it is what you do, isn't it? No, they're in here. Look, 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 look. Oh, oh, there you go. You got one. Can you do another one? Come on, get him out, get him out. Oh, oh. You are going to have so much fun with that. Oh! I am sure that Thomas probably had something to do with this, Charlie, didn't he? Yes. Are you very lucky? Oh! Oh. Where is your brothers? Bing! Lewis! Bingles! Lulu's! Oh! Oh! He is very good at this. What are you doing? What are you doing? These are super cute. Thank you so much, Joanne. I don't know where the boys are. I think they're all sleeping. Bing! Lulu's! Treats, come on! Usually they come running. It's because I'm in my craft room. They know not to disturb me. Charlie is the only one who... Come on then. Some more up. Oh, don't lose it off the back of the table. Lewis, Bing. Oh, oh. Right, let's put this on the floor so you can play with it while Mummy has a look at what Mummy's treats are. Here, come on then. Come on down here then. Come and play with it. Oh, thank you so much, Joanne. That is so adorable. I should have kept them for their Christmas presents, but the cat's out of the bag. And I have a parcel. Oh my goodness me. Super spoilt. That's me. What's in here? Oh, this looks delicious. Let me open my card. I can get into it. Oops, daisy. Oh, I can't get in there. We've done it up too well. Oh, look at that gorgeous cameo. That is just beautiful. I love it. Oh. Oh, it says, your adorable boys, now King Louis and Mr. Bing, like to visit your craft room. I couldn't leave them out. Oh, bless you. Thank you, Joanne. You are so super adorable. And that is just a lovely size to put in one of my journals and treasure. Thank you, darling. That's lovely. I love it. Love it. Oh, look. More eyelash trim in blues. I don't know how she finds it. Oh, and you've put some of them silhouettes in. I love these. Oh, these are super lovely. Oh, I love them. Oh, I really do love these. Look at these. What die did you use for these? And what stamp? These are lovely. I really love them. Thank you so much. I'm going to be using them on some of my projects. They're super lovely. Oh, I love them. That die is gorgeous. I want this die. Why have I not seen this die? I am the queen of dies. Where is this die from? I want it. Oh, look at this. Gorgeous fabric with tassels on the end. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, look at that. That would be super lovely on a journal, wouldn't it? Oh my gosh. Whenever I find a piece of fabric, I'm always like, right, this is journal size. Look at that on a journal. That would make that super lovely, wouldn't it? I love that. And tassels as well. Gorgeous tassel-y fabric. Oh, it feels lovely as well. Oh, and some sparkly fabric. Oh, look at this. Oh, yummy, yummy, yum. Oh, that's lovely. That would be lovely on tags or just on the front of a journal. Oh, I don't know what I would do with this one. I mean, I know what I would do with it, but I don't know what to do first, is what I'm trying to say. Oh, I love that gold. Oh, look what I've just seen. Oh my gosh. Right, I have to get to that. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I love the fabric. Look how gorgeous and yummy that is. Oh, look. Oh, the little sticky note, little tabs. Oh, little buzzcats. Oh, I have never seen these. Where do you find these? Where are these from? Oh, the Works. I haven't been to the Works for a while. I try to stay away because I spend money. Now look what you've done. I love them. They are super, super, super cute. Oh, I love them. Do you know what you could even do? I've got an idea with these. Right, I'm not telling you the idea. I'm going to show you because I am doing some of my cat journal. Look at this. Oh, it's a buzzcat pad. Oh, look. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is super cute. Oh, where's this from? Oh, B&M. Well, I was in B&M the other day. I never saw this. Oh, look. I just love them. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. You say crazy cat lady like it's a bad thing. Oh, I love it. Oh, I absolutely love it. I've got my mug with Crazy Cat Lady on, and look at this vintage sign. Oh, do you know what? I want this on my door. You know, like when people have names on their door when you enter. Oh no, I want to see it all the time. Actually, I am going to find a place for this. Do you know what? My craft room has got so many lovely things from you all, and I've still got more things to put out. So, you know, if you have sent me things and you don't see them in my craft room, it's because I'm still working my way through, and I've got things hanging in places. And all of these things that you do for me, you know, Joanne and everyone else that is so kind to me, it means just the world. It means the world. And you know, I say it all the time, I don't know what I've done to deserve such lovely people in my life. You know, I'm just being me, and it's just, you don't have to send me things, honestly, for me to love you guys. And I'm not saying you send me things so I love you, and that's not why I love you. I love you all because you're all with me and that. And what I'm saying is that when you do send me things, I want to treasure them all, and I don't take anything lightly. It means the world to me. I didn't mean that come out the wrong way. I don't know that you don't send me things because you want me to love you. I didn't mean that. And what I mean is I love you all, and these extra special things that you do just means so much to me, honestly. And I will treasure this. I will treasure this. I love it. I absolutely love it. I don't know where you find all these cat things, but oh my goodness me, absolutely love it. Thank you so much. Cats and kittens greeting card book. Now it's funny because I picked up one of these greeting card books, didn't I, from a car boot a few weeks ago, and it was Little Girls, I believe. This is a cats and kitten one. Oh, and Queen Victoria. Oh, she's put lots of Queen Victoria things. Oh, you are so thoughtful. She knows how much I love Queen Victoria. Oh, look. Oh, I love all of these. I love reading about her as well. Oh, she knows how much I love Queen Victoria. Oh, I love all of these. Thank you so much. Oh, look, there he is. Look, Prince Albert. He's rather charming. Let's have a look at her there. Look. Her Majesty the Queen in her bridal dress. Oh, I love all this. Oh my goodness me. Oh, thank you so much. I am going to treasure. You have not... Oh, now Bing comes. You have not seriously eaten all of them all by yourself, have you? Look. Oh my goodness me. Oh, these lovely, gorgeous images. Let me zoom in a minute. Oh, I love them. Oh, I just want to make all of these into a cover now of journals. Look. Oh, look at the little baby cats. Oh, these are lovely. Oh, my gosh, I just want to turn these into journals now. Each and every single one of them. Oh, oh. Oh, look at the baby. Them babies are so cute. Oh, this is lovely. Look at them playing in the background. Oh, let's just look. Loads of them in here. Look at the little Dabby. Adorable. Oh, these are super gorgeous. Oh, I am going to have so much fun with these. Oh, look. They are just lovely. And then I've got an address book in the back. Oh, thank you, darling. Honestly, these are super lovely, super thoughtful. And I love this book. Look. I'm going to treasure this book. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much for all of our goodies. Bing. Bing. Bing just came in and then he's gone out. Bingy. Do you want a treat, Bing? Mr. Bing. He's been a bit under the weather, actually. He's waiting for some tests I've got to get a wee sample, which isn't easy when you've got 3 cats. So they think he may have crystals or stones, so he can only maybe have 1 or 2 treats. If he would... No, you've had enough, Mr. Piggy Boy. You're going to have to wait until later, aren't you? Bing! I don't know where he's gone, but I will go and give him a treat. Thank you, thank you, thank you for my happy mail. I absolutely love everything, and I will treasure everything, and I'm going to put all this to good use. And the boys say a huge, big thank you, don't you, Charles? Say thank you. Be polite. Oh. Can you say thank you? Give a paw. High five. High five. No, you're just not going to do anything, are you? You just want to have more treats, don't you? But the boys say thank you so much. They are super spoiled, aren't you? You're spoiled. Yes, you are. And I shall see you all very soon. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, Joanne, lovely lady. I shall speak to you very soon. So take care, everyone. Bye for now. Bye from me. Bye from the boys. Bye.